Hi, I'm Fatima. I build automated systems for small business owners so they stop losing leads and start converting them without doing it manually. Today, I want to show you a tool I built called AutoReady. It's for agency owners and SaaS founders. Here in this app, once they click this button and their leads need to answer 6 questions. So, question number one, what type of business do you run? Let's say local service business. How are you managing leads right now? Mm, spreadsheets or notes? Messy? What's your biggest pain point? Leads go cold. How many leads do you get per month? 20 to 50. What's your average client value? 3,000 to $8,000. What does winning look like in 90 days? My business runs without me touching it, fully on autopilot. And then it will generate the plan for them. But before that, they need to give us their first name and email address. And then it will prepare the plan. And here it will show them how many pipeline they need, how many automations, and how many funnels. And then when you scroll down, it will break down to you what kind of stages, what kind of automations, and what kind of funnels. And when you scroll down more, here it will show them how much is the investment that they need to make for this to be fully built and handed over. So if you are interested in having this app inside your GHL or standalone, just please message me and I help you out. Thank you.